The Gateway Workshop's Confidence, Motivation, Letting Go of Fear and Stress Practitioners course was created to develop your understanding of the underlying and fundamental reasons why we can find ourselves lacking in confidence and motivation, and why we often feel fear and stress. The course is for anyone seeking to improve their lives and their emotional and mental health, and also for wellbeing practitioners looking to work more closely with their clients to help them be the best they can be. This Practitioner Diploma is a must for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but also for complete beginners looking to start their career in this fascinating field. Once you have completed the course, you will receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this, your newfound knowledge, with the general public and charge. In this course, you will learn what confidence, motivation, fear and stress are, and explore them in more detail, breaking them down with recognized and practiced theories. From psychology to science, through the journey of depression and into understanding more about how confidence, motivation, fear and stress are all linked with our physical and mental health. This course sets out to help you and your clients make lifelong positive changes that you can share. The Confidence, Motivation, Letting Go of Fear and Stress Practitioners course combines both the mindful and spiritual approach with logical and practical methods to finally balance the whole self. There are exercises throughout the course that can be used for yourself and your clients, and illustrations to demonstrate theories, techniques, and positive outcomes. What's ahead is an exciting world of change. Join the thousands of students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. And start your Confidence, Motivation, Letting Go of Fear and Stress Practitioner Diploma course today. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.